wash on. Hello people. It's been a long time.
Driving?
Have a good one. Hey, what's up? Hello. Yes, sir. Way to start the vlog. It's been like a long time that I haven't posted. Yeah. So it's been like foggy in here because of the forest fire in US. So yeah, it's my first time like making like a bike video. Hopefully you guys liked it. There's like a yellow light. Look at that. So right now I'm here in English Bay. Just biking around, exercising, you know. It's a bit windy, but it's for the content, you know. Look at that. This thing will be like nicer when it's like summer. Uy. One thing that I forgot, like going biking, is my water bottle. Look at that, there you all going. I forgot my water bottle. Hi! I guess. Yeah, so how are you guys doing? So this is like the first bike vlog. I don't know. Let me know down below if you guys want more for bike vlog or bike check on my bike. I'm just breathing so deep. I'm so tired. Yeah. So yeah, if you guys want some bike vlog check, just let me know down in the comment below. And yeah, like and subscribe. So we're about to turn right. Yeah, there we go. Let me just park. Look at the forest. It's a bit like cold right now, but it's not that like hot, you know, because it's like fall today. Don't do this. No hand while vlogging, y'all. Holy. I don't know if you guys can hear me or something. Hopefully I'm not gonna like going to the right because soon I'm gonna turn right. Behind me or something like that. I'm just here biking alone, eh? Single life, eh? Doesn't matter, yo. As long as you're happy in life, it doesn't bother you. You're keeping in touch. There's a car behind me. Look at it. Yeah, there is a car behind me. Hey, man, be careful. I'm tired. So by the way, this mask, you know, Coach Mav in YouTube, the basketball player or the basketball coach, I got it from a friend named Francis. Shout out to you, Francis, for this mask. Really nice. It's like waterproof too because I got sweat in my cheek. So yeah, get your mask for it. Shout out to Mavs, Coach Mav. I think I'm about to turn left for this one. I think it's like right here. Do you like my pants? It's like baby shark for that one. Let's go slow. GG if we stumble upon. I should get like a GoPro or something like that, eh? Have to stop, look left and right. No car. Derecho. Now we're in the tunnel right now. There's a car coming. Don't care. So we're entering the, I don't know, this is like Stanley Park or something. Look at those bikers too. Should have their mask. Alright, catch you guys. Look at that. He's coming soon. Someone got pulled over somewhere?
So I just wanted to kind of.
Oh, there's a horse. Oh, there's a horse in the back, eh? Oh man, I like this kind of weather today because it's not like too hot and then it's not that too cold, you know. You can wear your like favorite sucking pants or something like that. It's a police traffic enforcer. Oh, it's blocked. Hello, boss. It's blocked because like somebody is like filming. People are like filming here, so never been this area before. Oh, it's just cut off like 1 kilometer, eh? That's not too bad. Slow down. Where should I go? The other side, eh? Might be like Lobat soon, eh? Yeah. There we go. Look at that. So foggy because of the forest fire in US. Natin to. Walang hands yan. You know. Unahan natin to. Diretso lang. Basta careful lang kayo, guys. If you guys wanna like cut off some people, you should like let them know behind you. It's like going left, going right, or something like that. But what I did is like kinda dangerous because I may merge into them and then hit them, right? And get injured. It's a tough corner. Holy! This is like this side called seawall. I think I'm gonna low but my phone, eh? Phone is about to end. Look at that. It's a Lions Bridge. It's hard. Look at the drip. It's a GT 3.0. My first road bike. If you guys like the new vlog for going here, so don't forget to like and subscribe because I might add something after this because my phone is about to die. Like and subscribe. Peace out, guys. Stay smile. Keep smiling and everything will bloom like a flower.